Hello guys, this is Azim, and in today's video we are going to take a look on this Oraimo Neckband 2, which is the second iteration by Oraimo to its neckband series. In front of me I have a budget-friendly neckband with tons of features without breaking your bank. In today's video, first I'm going to unbox it and then will explain you all the features it comes back with. So let's not further ado and dive into the video. All the key features are already highlighted on the box itself. And I must say, when it comes to packaging and presentation, no other brand I have seen doing what Oraimo is doing with their excellent unboxing experience. I mean, just look at the presentation, how nicely it is packed, which won't make you feel it's a budget device. Further, when you open the box, the neckband sits right in front of you. Taking it out and keeping that aside, we have a small box which has a manual which also shares the box with micro USB to USB cable. Lastly, we have some extra ear tips for different ear sizes. Talking about the build quality, the neckband comes with really tough yet light and sturdy structure which should last for a long time. From physical aspect, we have the power button, volume rockers, all at right side. Over at the left, we only have Oraimo branding. The earbuds are angled, which is ergonomic and fits firmly into your ears. The only concern I'm having here is the point where the wire connects to the neckband. It seems very fragile, but it's tightly attached to the frame, and its durability it's totally depend on your usage. Now talking about the neckband area, it's really thick and rubberized, which ensures it won't slide onto your neck. The structure also ensures that you can use the neckband a bit roughly. Earbud fits very nicely into your ears thanks to the angled buds, which also ensures that they won't fall off from your ears easily. As you can see, I'm twisting my head very hardly, but then also it's not falling, which is good in my opinion. Finally, the sound quality. Like the strong structure, the sound quality is really good. It's flat with a punchy bass and mids. The vocals are clear and definitely you'll enjoy listening music in this neckband. And with the latest Bluetooth 5.0, it connects to your device instantly. So overall, a nice package both in terms of quality and usability. So that's how this Oraimo Neckband 2 is. What you people think, do let me know in comment section. If you end up liking this video, do like, share this video and subscribe to my channel. If you want to buy this product, link for that will be in the description. Do use it for purchase. For now, this is Azim and I'm signing out.